The most common mistake in gearbox assembly, the slide ring sealing. This tool helps you assemble it more easily and accurately. Position the sealing and insert the tool. Fasten the toggle latch and place it on the wheel. Use only a rubber hammer to tap the tool and insert the sealing. Now remove the tool and check the O-ring condition. Finally, wipe the impact area with a dry cloth. Then apply oil to finish. And also, many people ask how to use this tool. This is a bearing press tool. Proceed with the ring set installation as usual. Remember, only a rubber hammer should be used here. Heat from 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Once the ring set is properly seated, the tool is ready to be used. As shown, install the press tool. And apply torque to press the bearing. Then check the clearance. This is the correct way to use the tool. The same process applies to the remaining steps.